Good morning, everyone. Do you want to start your day speaking English like a native? Today, I will teach you 10 daily English sentences you can use every morning. Are you ready?
Yes, I want to speak English every day.
Great! By the end of this video, you will be able to practice these sentences every morning and feel confident. Stay with me till the end for the best tips. Let's start with the simple greeting. You say, "Good morning."
Good morning.
Perfect. Now, next sentence. How are you today?
How are you today?
Great. Now you try both together. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
Awesome. Let's continue. 1. Did you sleep well? 2. I hope you have a great day. 3. What are your plans for today? 4. Don't forget your breakfast. 5. Have a nice day at work. 6. Good luck today. 7. See you later. 8. Take care of yourself. 9. Let's do our best today.
Wow, that's a lot, but I can repeat them.
Now, let's say them slowly together. Repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
I hope you have a great day.
I hope you have a great day.
What are your plans for today?
What are your plans for today?
Don't forget your breakfast.
Don't forget your breakfast.
Have a nice day at work.
Have a nice day at work.
Good luck today.
Good luck today.
See you later.
See you later.
Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
Let's do our best today.
Let's do our best today.
Excellent. Try to say all sentences together naturally now.
Good morning. How are you today? Did you sleep well? I hope you have a great day. What are your plans for today? Don't forget your breakfast. Have a nice day at work. Good luck today. See you later. Take care of yourself. Let's do our best today.
Now, repeat each word with me slowly and make a sentence. Morning. I say good morning. Sleep. Did you sleep well? Here are 3 tips to practice these sentences every morning. Speak aloud. Don't just read silently. Say the sentences every morning. Mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror. Repeat with gestures and confidence. Record yourself. Listen and compare your pronunciation with native speakers.
I will try all 3 tips tomorrow morning.
Great! These tips will make your English natural and fluent.
Now, let's say them slowly together. Repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
I hope you have a great day.
I hope you have a great day.
What are your plans for today?
What are your plans for today?
Don't forget your breakfast.
Don't forget your breakfast.
Have a nice day at work.
Have a nice day at work.
Good luck today.
Good luck today.
See you later.
See you later.
Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
Let's do our best today.
Let's do our best today.
Excellent. Now practice these sentences every morning and notice the difference. Comment below your favorite sentence and which one was easiest for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more daily English lessons.
I will. Thank you, Jessica.